Hi, today I'm for OPPO F23 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant option on this device. So, to do that, we should launch first the Google app, tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings. Then tap to voice section and click to voice mode. To activate Hey Google option, click once on the switcher, tap to more, I agree, next, not now. And now we could see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. If you want Assistant to recognize your voice, tap to voice model, retain voice model and say, OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, reminds me to water my plants every Monday. So then just tap to next, not now, and now we could see that the Hey Google option successfully activated, and when you'll say OK Google or Hey Google, you could see that this option is turned on. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.